while. I think this one's a couple miles long. I said it might be a while. I think this one's a couple miles long. Nice. Busy fucking mall. Just for shits and giggles, if you guys listen to hip hop, check out Snack the Ripper. It's from BC, Canada. He's fucking dope. Snack the Ripper. And also check out Mercules. He's also from out that way. Dope music. Dope ass Canadian music. Pretty view ropes. Oh, that's nice and fucking pretty. Who the fuck reverses? What the fucking hell? A fucking motorcyclist. I wanna fucking be cautious there, buddy. Countryside though. Gotta admit, Canada's pretty fucking nice. Yeah, I haven't even shown you guys some of the nicest fucking shit. A lot of fucking lakes and rivers. Fucking love it. I do hope you guys enjoy some of this fucking ride. Instead of fucking sticking your fucking tip in the fucking sock, your mom's sock, leaving her a little fucking gift. I appreciate you watching this instead. Or, you know, I don't want to forget about the ladies. If you're watching this as well, I appreciate you not, you know, tiddling your twats. And who knows, maybe sport bikes, that's your thing. Maybe, you know, maybe you do. Get a little hard on. Feel yourself, who the fuck knows. That's enough of that. It's gone too far. The subject's gone too far. Might be thinking about passing it soon. I think I saw him kick down a gear. Might be wrong. We will see. guys fucking Harleys waving. Woo! That was a little fucking dirt. A little dirty dirt. So yeah, I listen to fucking hip-hop music. You guys gotta check that shit out. Fucking Razkaz, Jedi Mind Tricks. You got fucking Chris Rivers. I mean, I still listen to that fucking old Gangstar with fucking Guru. You know, you can't fuck that. Can't mess with that shit. Tupac, Snack the Ripper. You got fucking Naughty by Nature, Daz Effects. I listen to that shit constantly. You guys gotta check out the new Tribe Called Quest album. You guys gotta have to fucking check that shit out. Yeah, I do listen to a little bit of fucking Eminem here and there. Some DMX, some of that Redman, Method Man, some of that fucking Wu-Tang. 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 See which way we're gonna go. That way? Not too bad. I got like 3/4 of a tank. I could probably do another 100 kilometers or so before I fill up.
I'm trying to see if I can figure out how to get back, and then the first gas station or whatever I can get into.
Alright. I want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash the fuck out of that like button. And ride safe. Peace.